Hey, what's up everyone? I'm over here at the corner of 16th and 8th Street here in Eureka, just checking out the latest abandoned house. I think it's a really beautiful house, and it's definitely sad to see it sitting like this, all boarded up. Definitely a Victorian style, Victorian era home here. And a rather nice part of the neighborhood too, nice part of town. So always surprising to see stuff like this in these areas. But I'm gonna have a quick look around, and that's that. Yeah, if you guys know what happened here, let me know. I smell a little smoke, so I'm not sure if that's from a fire or whatnot. But there is some damage at the top, you see right there. Looks like maybe there's some effort to try and restore this place. It's got a lot of potential. I would go around the back, but it does look like somebody might be on the other side working on the place. So we're going to avoid that for now. But yeah, here's to preservation efforts, hopefully. Let's take a quick look around the side here. Yeah, somebody's doing some work. That's good to know. Looks like there's a mother-in-law unit too that's been boarded up. Some caution tape on the ground too. Something bad must have happened. Yeah, this is all part of it. A 2-car garage. I think that wraps it up for now, guys. I'll see you later.